Welcome to a short instructional video on how to install the CMS Driver app on Apple iPhones. Before starting, obtain your server address and port number from your controller. If you have the old version of the app on your phone, remove this before installing the new version. To uninstall the old version, hold down the icon for the CMS Driver app. After a few seconds, little crosses appear in the corner of the icon. Click the cross to delete the app. Now press the App Store icon and search in the App Store for CMS Driver app, the one with the orange icon. Press Get and then download the app. You may need to use Touch ID or enter your Apple password depending on your security settings. During the install, press Allow for all notifications. Once the download's complete, launch the app. The new details information will be supplied by the office. Once logged in, the app is ready for use and card payments can be accepted from passengers.